Like I said, I'm out here by myself. So if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Showing y'all this beautiful view. Ah! Woo! It's a lot of bushes, boy. And I gotta hike back up to go back up the mountain, but it's all good. It's worth it. Definitely worth it. Quick break. This is my first break of the trip. I'm about to take like 5-10 minutes, sit here, enjoy this beautiful scenery as we walk down the mountain down there. And remind you, we gotta walk back up, so it's probably, they say it's like a 5 hour depending on how fast you go. We in Kauai. This place is magical. That's all I can tell you. It's a magical place. It's well worth it. If you want to come to Hawaii, come to the island, Kauai. A lot of scenery here, a lot of nature, and just beautiful views and beautiful people. The people are here cool, man. Everybody chilled. It's just a different vibe, man. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your local tour guide. Best tour guide in the world, Craig. You heard me? Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
See the viewpoint for sure.
This one pretty close down here.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna go down and come back up and go this way.
2 miles. I don't like that idea.
This it's almost an edge at the bottom
like
down here.
Yeah.
I think it's the
Oh yeah,
down.
over here. Vista Point. Yeah, that's what we want.
Yeah.
Point 3. So we put point 3 on top of 275 and got 305 times 2. This looks like Forest Service. You know how they are about the mountains.
All right, we're back on the move, y'all.
We're only going to the Vista Point. We don't have time to go.
Whew. Wow. This is crazy. Dang. Look at this view, y'all. Ali Boombaye.
I'm here. Marco.
So if y'all plan on going to Kauai Island, I rate this hike a 10 out of 10. One of the top hikes I have done yet. It's first you have to hike down the mountain to actually get to this view right here, but hiking up is pretty hard. It's worth it. Every step worth it. Like I say, make sure y'all check out this island, which is Kauai Island. I think it's called Awa'awapuhi Trail. And as you can see, you got the mountains right there, and then you got the ocean back there. And you could take flight tours and fly over this, but if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Man, that's crazy. This is crazy. Ooh, that's how you overcome fear. Yeah. That's how you overcome fear.